All right, guys, are you looking to move near Summerlin, but don't want to pay the Summerlin fees? Well, behind me, we have a move-in ready home by KB, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move, buy or sell here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, guys, so today is March 9, 2025, and I will be showing you guys this move-in ready KB home that is actually a model home. The furnitures won't be included, but you know, it is good to go, ready to go. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're actually in the southwest area, really close to Summerlin. Like if you go across the street, you'll be in Summerlin. Okay, so we're cross street's going to be Russell and Hualapai. It's a lot of great things in the area. You have Southern Hills Hospital, not too far away. You're gonna have the Bend Shopping Center, not too far away as well. You have some high-rated schools in the area, and we're actually really close to Bishop Gorman High School as well. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and be previewing this. HOA is about $92. Is only $92 a month, and it is gated. Another pro about living right outside of Summerlin is you don't have to pay for the master plan fee that Summerlin has to pay for, along with the sit-in lids, okay? So this house that we're gonna be touring, this is 2,175 square feet. Okay, this is gonna be a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it is priced at $634,738. So about $635, you guys, okay? All right. Let's head inside. And remember, this is the actual house itself that is for sale. Okay, so welcome in. As soon as you walk in, you have this nice long hallway. Okay, you also have 9-foot ceilings. Now right over here, you're gonna have your coat closet. Okay, so this is gonna be your powder room. So this is your half bath, pedestal sink. Okay, so you have your toilet. Right over here, you're gonna have your garage. But the garage doors are always locked. In model homes, it's usually where they store some of their stuff in there, okay? So welcome to the main living area. So you have the dining room, living room, and kitchen. Okay, nice open kitchen. Pretty good size island right here. Okay, this is gonna be your pantry. So, and I do believe like all these appliances will be included. Okay, here, let me double check that actually. Washer, refrigerator, yep, all the appliances are included. Okay, so it's just the furniture they're gonna reuse, but the cabinets, the appliances, all of that will be included. Okay, it's a nice countertop. Have a nice little backsplash as well. Okay, matte black sink, the matte black faucet. Okay. So the backyard is complete as well. So, you know, that's a pro about buying this house, is that it's new construction, nobody's lived in it. And also the backyard is completed. That's one of the large costs that, you know, buyers will have to go through after they purchase a house. Because, you know, with most builders, I mean, anytime you buy a new construction home, you're gonna have a dirt lot for the backyard. And then landscaping, it really depends. I mean, it could range from like, usually what I'm seeing about like 5,000 to like 18,000, just depending on what you do and how big the backyard is. Okay, but yeah, usually people do a little bit mixture of rocks, pavers, turfs. Okay. Right. All right, let's head to the second floor. You got the white mission style railing. Okay. So we'll head up here. And it looks like you have this small little loft area. Okay. And then in this hallway, you're gonna have your bedrooms. And then right over here, you have your primary bedroom, which we'll check out. And you also have 8-foot ceilings on the second floor. Okay, so you have your linen closet. Right, so the laundry room is conveniently located right next to the primary bedroom. Okay. Now let me see here. Okay, so yeah, the washer and dryer, obviously is not included. So you're gonna have your attic access up there. Smart panel box, that's where you would connect your internet router and your modem. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. So you have plenty of space here. Show you a better view. All right, guys. Now, if you're watching this video and you're thinking about visiting a new construction community by yourself, do me a huge favor. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be glad to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, because if you go by yourself, the builder agent's going to ask for your name, phone number, and email. Once they have that information, they're going to log you in their system with no representation. And at that point, it's going to be hard for you to have representation with a realtor. The big difference is when you are enrolled with a new build community with no agent, the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, okay? And we look after your best interest. So, definitely important to get yourself some representation. Especially if you're looking at new construction too, definitely get with me or an agent that specializes in like new construction homes, because, we definitely know the process really well, but we also have great relationship with the builder agents. That way, once we have those relationships, higher chance that you get a better deal for sure. Okay. So yeah, actually, I haven't been to this floor plan before. Okay, cool. So it looks like you're gonna have all your 3 bedrooms lined up right over here. These are all transfer grills, so airflow can like regulate through the rooms, prevent doors from slamming, if there's any wind. Okay, so this bedroom number 1. It's a pretty standard size room. I feel like this room is more spacious. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, because in the other room, the closet came out to right here. So these are the views again, really close to Summerlin, great area. I live in this community for sure. It's just nice because since you're right outside of Summerlin, you're not paying the Summerlin fees. And Summerlin, once you move there, you move into a new construction, You're usually paying a SID, a lid, and a master plan. But out here, you only pay the $92 HOA, $92 a month, so. Okay. And then over here, we're gonna have the full bath. That's gonna accommodate these 3 bedrooms. Cool, you got your dual sink, your toilet, shower tub, fiberglass. All right, guys, let me know what you think about this move-in ready home. Again, if you guys have any questions, you're curious to know what the incentives are, give me a call. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.